If you're shopping for a new gas range in 2026, you've probably noticed there are dozens of options claiming to be the best. Some offer powerful burners, some focus on smart features, and others promise professional-level cooking performance. The problem is that many ranges look great in the showroom, but disappoint when it comes to reliability, oven performance, or long-term ownership. After reviewing expert testing, owner feedback, reliability data, and overall value, we've narrowed the field down to 5 standout gas ranges that are actually worth your money in 2026. We'll cover the strengths, weaknesses, ideal buyer, and key features of each model. Stick around until the end because our number one pick offers the best balance of performance, reliability, and value for most households. Let's get started. Number 5. Maytag MGR6600PZ. The Maytag range is a gas range designed for buyers who value reliability, durability, and straightforward performance over flashy technology and smart features. While many modern appliances focus on Wi-Fi connectivity, touchscreens, and app integration, this model takes a more practical approach by delivering the essentials exceptionally well. Maytag has built a long-standing reputation for producing dependable appliances, and the Maytag range continues that tradition with solid construction and user-friendly operation. Its burners provide consistent heat output for everyday cooking tasks, whether you're boiling water, sautéing vegetables, or preparing full family meals. The oven performs equally well, maintaining stable temperatures that help ensure even baking and roasting results, reducing the frustration that can come from temperature fluctuations. One of the biggest advantages of this range is its simplicity. The controls are intuitive and easy to understand, making it accessible for both experienced cooks and first-time homeowners. Cleaning and maintenance are also relatively straightforward, helping to minimize long-term ownership hassles. Rather than prioritizing luxury aesthetics or advanced technology, the overall design focuses on practicality, functionality, and longevity. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The Maytag range offers fewer smart features than many competing models and lacks the premium appearance of higher-end ranges. However, these compromises contribute to its strong value proposition and affordable pricing. For budget-conscious shoppers seeking a dependable gas range that delivers consistent cooking performance and long-term durability, the Maytag range remains one of the safest and most sensible choices available in today's market. Number 4. Samsung NX60A6711SS. This gas range from Samsung is designed with busy households and enthusiastic home cooks in mind, especially those who frequently prepare multiple dishes at once and need flexibility in the kitchen. Its most distinctive feature is Samsung's Flex Duo technology, which allows the oven to function either as one large unified cooking space for bigger meals or to be divided into 2 separate compartments with independent temperature controls. This makes it possible to cook different foods simultaneously without flavor transfer or timing conflicts, such as roasting a main dish in one section while baking desserts in the other, significantly improving efficiency during meal preparation. The cooktop complements this versatility with strong and responsive burners that can handle a wide range of cooking techniques, from high heat boiling and searing to gentle simmering for sauces and soups, all while maintaining steady and reliable flame control. In addition to its cooking performance, the range integrates smart connectivity through Samsung's ecosystem, enabling users to monitor and adjust oven settings remotely for added convenience and modern control in daily cooking routines. The design also emphasizes a sleek and contemporary aesthetic that fits well in modern kitchens, adding visual appeal alongside functionality. However, the advanced features and dual-cavity system may require a learning curve for some users who are more accustomed to traditional single-oven ranges, and it may initially feel more complex to operate. Overall, this range is particularly well-suited for larger families, frequent entertainers, and anyone who values multitasking capability, modern technology, and cooking flexibility in a single, well-equipped appliance for everyday and special occasion use. Number 3. Bosch HGI8056UC. Bosch has earned a well-deserved reputation for exceptional engineering, premium build quality, and long-term reliability, and this gas range is a strong example of those qualities in action. Designed for homeowners who prioritize performance and craftsmanship over flashy technology, it delivers a refined cooking experience that stands out in a competitive market. One of the most frequently praised aspects of this range is its oven performance, particularly when it comes to baking. Heat distribution is remarkably even throughout the oven cavity, helping to produce consistent and predictable results for cookies, cakes, pastries, casseroles, and roasted dishes. This level of precision makes it an excellent choice for home cooks who enjoy baking and want reliable outcomes every time. Beyond performance, the slide-in design creates a seamless, built-in appearance that instantly enhances the overall look of a kitchen, giving it a more modern and upscale feel. The attention to detail is evident in nearly every aspect of the appliance, from the quality of the materials to the smooth operation of the controls and oven door. Bosch's strong reliability record also provides additional peace of mind, making it an attractive long-term investment for many households. Of course, this quality comes at a price, and the range is positioned at a premium level compared to many competitors. It also offers fewer smart features than some technology-focused alternatives. However, for buyers who value durability, elegant design, excellent baking performance, and dependable everyday operation, Bosch remains one of the most compelling choices available and deserves serious consideration when shopping for a high-quality gas range. Number 2. GE Profile PGS930YPFS. The GE Profile range is a premium gas range that successfully combines powerful cooking performance with modern technology, making it one of the most well-rounded options available for today's kitchens. Designed for homeowners who want more than just basic functionality, this range delivers professional-level cooking capabilities while also offering a variety of smart features that enhance convenience and control. One of its standout features is the powerful tri-ring burner, which provides exceptional heat output for demanding cooking tasks such as rapidly boiling water, searing steaks, stir-frying, and other high-temperature techniques. At the same time, the burner offers excellent low-heat precision, allowing users to gently simmer sauces, melt chocolate, or prepare delicate dishes without the risk of scorching. The oven is equally impressive, featuring advanced convection technology that promotes even heat circulation throughout the cavity, resulting in more consistent baking and roasting performance. Whether preparing cookies, cakes, casseroles, or large meals, users can expect Number 1. LGLSGL6337F. This gas range stands out as one of the most well-balanced options in its category, offering a strong mix of cooking performance, useful features, and overall value that appeals to a wide range of home cooks. The cooktop is equipped with powerful burners that handle everyday and advanced cooking tasks with ease, whether you are rapidly bringing water to a boil, stir-frying vegetables at high heat, or maintaining a steady low simmer for delicate sauces, all while giving you precise and responsive flame control. Inside the oven, LG convection technology works to distribute heat evenly throughout the cavity, helping ensure consistent results when baking, roasting, or preparing multiple dishes at once. A particularly modern and convenient addition is the built-in air fry mode, which allows users to achieve crispy textures with significantly less oil, aligning with healthier cooking preferences that have become increasingly popular in recent years. Beyond cooking performance, the range also integrates smart functionality through LG's connected appliance platform, enabling users to monitor and control certain settings more conveniently. What makes this model especially appealing is that it delivers many premium-level features typically found in higher-end professional-style ranges, yet it avoids the extremely high price point associated with those luxury units. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option available, and some users might prefer a more upscale or professional aesthetic design, its overall package of strong burners, reliable oven performance, modern features, and solid value makes it an excellent choice for the majority of households seeking a dependable and versatile kitchen upgrade. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which gas range you'd choose for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.